told you this is how you look at like a square.
Welcome, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and the lovely, what's your name?
Rain.
Rain.
They don't see my face.
Okay, now they see your face. So, we are about to put some dirt, boom shakalaka, in the last race bag. And she said she wanted to help me out, so Rain, I thank you for helping me. Are you ready for this? Okay, you're going to have to take your hands out your mouth because it's going to get dirty, okay? All right.
First, we need some gloves.
We do need gloves. Okay, we'll get your gloves. Anything else you want to say?
First, we need a trash.
We don't need the trash, baby. You just saw the trash can. But I do have a problem. Major problem. I went to go get the dirt out of the car, and look at here. Look at here, ladies and gentlemen. The bag broke, and the dirt fell. So, I'm going to have to figure that out. Some of the dirt's going to have, like, debris in it. So, it all has to go in the bed. I guess I'm going to go ahead and take this over. Got my 2 bags of soil here. I'm going to go ahead and take that to the back and then figure this situation out because that is horrible. All right, Rain, you good? You want to say anything else?
You need a car?
Car? Okay. Don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get to the back. All right? Yeah. It says, welcome to our garden. Welcome to our garden. You see it? All right. So, we made it back here with the first load of soil. Rain, we're going to put, this is the plan, Rain, okay? You ready? We're going to put that soil in this bed, okay?
What I'm going to do?
Huh?
What I'm going to do?
What do you want to do?
I'm going to
You can spread it out. I'm going to put it in here. You can spread it out, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right?
How about gloves?
Yeah, we couldn't find your gloves. But I did find this rake. And you can rake it out once I put it in there. Okay?
When you said get it, you get, I get it.
Okay.
When I said don't get it, you said don't get it.
Yes, ma'am. That sounds like a very great plan. Here, let me give you this.
What?
Right here. Hold that.
Why am I going to spray?
Huh?
Why am I going to spray?
Okay, I'm going to spread the soil out and you're going to rake it, okay?
I want to spray.
Baby, we went through the plan, okay? Don't switch up on me. All right, let's do it. All right, so I'm going to break it. All right, we're going to spread it in there, all right?
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, you see your brother?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead. Come on, get the rake.
Okay.
No. All right, you got to get the dirt.
Oh. If I get it right now.
Whoa.
If I get it
Hold on, let me open this one.
You got it, Daddy?
Yeah.
My hands are dirty. What is that?
All right, spread it out. Yep, keep it in the square. Good job.
This is how we make this one. Can I go over here?
Yeah.
Okay, you spray it out.
Go ahead, spread it out, big girl. Yep. Good job. Hey, slow down. Let's do this. Like this. Get it over there. Get some over there. Boom. All right? Like that.
This is not how you make a square.
Huh?
This is not how you make a square.
That's not how you make a square. I'm gonna go get the little shovel.
Okay.
Want to go get the little one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the little one.
Yeah.
All right. You gotta work with your workers, or else work won't get done. Work with your workers or what won't get done. All right, so go ahead and drop this. Let's keep it moving, y'all. All right, let's go. All right, beautiful people. So, what are you doing? What are you doing back there? Huh?
I got this to do it.
You got the shovel?
It's a little one.
Yep, it is a little one. Okay, so what I had to do was, obviously the bag broke, and it broke again, and it broke again. So I had to dump all of the dirt into my wheelbarrow, and now I'm gonna just dump that into here, which actually there's a lot more of that than space in here. So
Help my daddy with this.
what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna help my daddy with this.
Okay, thank you for your help, beautiful. All right, so let me go ahead and dump this dirt in here, and we'll go from there. All right, let's do it. All right.
There's some more there.
I know. Might not fit.
Can we do it right now?
Yep. Wait, keep it in the box.
Keep it in the.
So like this, you see how you keep it in the box?
Oh, I can't do it with my hand.
No, not yet. We use a shovel. Keep it in the box.
Okay.
I already wasted some. Good job. Okay, all right. I like the pat down approach.
You know what that means? It says be quiet.
Oh. Okay, you telling the dirt to be quiet?
I made it. I made it.
Okay. What you make it do?
And then like,
Okay. And what is that doing?
it's like crazy.
Okay. So you're just spanking it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's different.
Well, yeah, I showed you this is how you look at like a circle.
Yep. You're doing a good job, Rain.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're such a good helper out here.
Oh, sorry, Daddy.
It's okay. It's okay. We're just getting it all in here right now.
Hey, oh, I found a wheel.
Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, I'll take it out. I'll take it out. Okay, there we go. It's gone. Thank you.
Oh, find one. Here, Daddy.
Just throw it down. Throw it on the ground. Throw it behind you. There you go. Thank you so much. All right. I think we did a good job, Rain.
Is it done?
I think so. Put all the dirt in here. You did such a great job. Oh, you gotta pat it down.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
Oh, that makes it right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I found a bee.
Okay.
Wait, I found a bubble.
Okay, put it behind you.
Okay.
Well, there you have it, beautiful people. We did it, Ray.
No, we're not done.
We not done.
No.
Why not?
We didn't finish the, like that.
Oh, the extra dirt? That's just extra dirt.
No,
We can-
no, that.
What?
The spray.
Oh, the spray. Oh, we do need to water it. Thank you, Rain. So we'll water it, make sure it's nice and moist, get things going in there, and then we'll be done, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's a good idea. Well, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Well, I will hold it and you wash me, okay?
We'll see what happens. But yeah, man, so that's what I'm doing with this bed. And the idea is to put the dirt in there and let the dirt just sit and...
Daddy, you gotta hurry up if it be dark.
Yes, ma'am. I was finishing. Okay?
Yeah.
So, I was letting the dirt sit in there with the idea that to give it a week, and we'll go ahead and plant some things next week, a week from now. So the idea is to go ahead and to go ahead and put the soil down, let everything get together, formulate, get to know each other in the bed, and then, go ahead and plant from there. So This was fun with Rain. She was very helpful. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. There's more of this stuff on the way for you all. Currently,
We have a new friend out here.
okay. Currently, all the beds are filled, and you know. So now it's on to seating.
Jasmine.
Thank you. Now we're on to seating, the last bed, and that's a wrap. So, Rain, go ahead and say bye-bye.
We're done?
Yes, we're done, beautiful. If you say bye-bye, we can go ahead inside.
We're not finished with the spray.
Okay, we're gonna spray. Thank you, beautiful, and then we're gonna go. But we're gonna tell them bye-bye. Okay, we're gonna spray. I'm not joking. All right, so we out. Love you all.
There, Daddy.
Love you all. Peace.